So I got many questions from people that saw recently that I created a Udemy course and I'm selling it actively and promoting it, that I'm moving away from CodeCanyon and I'm pivoting to Udemy, and I will be selling courses exclusively from now. They want to know that the WordPress business is not profitable anymore, and because of this I create courses starting from now. Well, I will answer in this video for all of these questions because I got some questions and I want to respond to these in this video. If you don't know me already, I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. I create premium WordPress plugins and sell them on CodeCanyon. And also I create courses on Udemy. So the answer for the question is no, I am not moving away from CodeCanyon. I am just diversifying. So by diversifying, I mean that I want to get more sources of income that will allow me to be more secure. So in case that the WordPress business is not moving forward anymore, in that case I still have something on which I can rely on and on which I can survive, let's say, and build another business. So I build the course business just as a backup source of income in case the main WordPress business is not functioning anymore. However, this is not the case. I am still actively in the plugin business and I'm developing new plugins, and I will put out new content to you guys, new plugins and new content that will allow you to build your businesses, because using my plugins you can build entire businesses. Okay, so as you can see, my plugins are this, and I will create new ones in the near future, so stay tuned for this. So I responded to the questions and the answer is no. I'm not moving away from CodeCanyon because my overall experience with CodeCanyon is a very positive one, and I really like selling plugins here. The guys at CodeCanyon and Invetto are very serious, and yeah, I really like this. However, I got some small issues because people are kind of stealing content. They are rebranding plugins and selling them on Warrior Plus. I had an example recently. Check on my previous videos for Viral News Jacker, because it is a rebranded plugin from my Newsematic plugin, from this one. So people just took Newsematic, rebranded it and sold it on Warrior Plus. However, I made a DMCA request and took down, and I am actively pursuing to take down their plugin from that market. Okay, so yeah, this is my answer for the questions, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and have a great day. Bye bye.